Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make animation on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. So for making an animation here, I'm just going to make a collage here and just adding some more pictures. And after making a collage here on the top, here is an option you can see here, animation. Click on that. And then here on the left side you can see here many types of animation. From here you can just choose the animation that you wanted, and then after choosing the type of animation that you wanted, you play that. You can see that you had been added animation on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.